All right, let's take a look at the SageMaker machine learning pipeline. So, SageMaker is a unified machine learning platform for building ML solutions end to end. And there are various stages of what this pipeline looks like. We have data readiness, feature engineering, training fine tuning, model serving, understand tuning, edge, model monitoring, and model management. In different areas, there's going to be different things. So down below, there are two things, such as the deep learning environments and notebooks, which are notebooks. Obviously, are the means to which we are going to do a lot of our work. And then the deep learning environments would be things like virtual machines, deep learning containers. You have to run compute somewhere, so that's obviously going to be a part of it. In data readiness, we have things like data labeling, data sets, feature store, experiments, AI accelerators, optimization, training, prediction, explainable AI, hybrid AI, continuous monitoring, metadata, and then we have pipelines down below for orchestration. And then there's a thing called AutoML, which they still have AutoML, but it's now wrapped into something called SageMaker Canvas. And so, I could have sprinkled all the SageMaker services here, but I'd rather just go through each of these categories and then just talk about what services fit for what part of the pipeline, okay?